Make sure you fly in the sun, you son of a bitch. Whoa. Giant birds. Get the size of that sucker. That one has at least a 20-foot wingspan. Easy. These birds do not make it easy to catch them on camera. They have a really bad habit of flying directly into the sun. I think I got a couple of good shots of that giant bad boy that time. Be sure to let me know in the comments below. As you can see, these big bird encounters only last about 2 to 3 minutes on the average, and I'm lucky if I can catch them on camera at all during that time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell and let me know what you think the giant birds are. Look, there goes one down. Watch him, he'll head straight for the sun here in a minute. Because that's what they do. There he goes. He's circling, and there he goes. Straight into the sun. Every time. But if you know what he is, let me know in the comments below. Blog over, dudes.